To set up your email account, you would go to General Settings, click on Emails, Mailboxes. You can create a Shopping Cart Elite email, which means that it would be using mail@yourdomainname.com. However, Shopping Cart Elite emails are limited to how many you have based on your package. So the basic package comes with 2 emails. Other packages come with more emails. If you want, you can purchase each email separately if you like. You can also set up a third-party email, such as Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, or Hotmail, but they won't include all the features that come with a Shopping Cart Elite email, such as the tracker ID, unsubscribe notification, etc. Now, in order to set up your email, you simply put in your email address, the email title, which will be defaulted to the email address. You can put your name if you want to display your name on the email address. An alias address is if you want to fake your email. For example, my email is igor@shoppingcartelite, and let's say I want to get all my replies to igor@gmail.com. I would put igor@gmail.com for my alias address. If you want to have a default subject every time you open a new email, if you want to have an email disclaimer for everyone who uses this email account on the footer of the email, if you want to be notified when the email is sent, if it was read by your customer or not, if you want to send a feedback notification to your customer, asking them if they liked your service or your company, you can say if this is the primary outgoing email, which means all the notifications from your store will be using that particular email to send them out. You can specify if you want to allow reply to, which means they can reply to this email address. Normally, if it's a Shopping Cart Elite email address or any other email address. On the bottom of your message, there is a link which says, if you want to reply, click here. When they click there, they go to your Contact Us message form and they send the email from there. We recommend that you use that particular message form instead of allow reply to, because it will be much more organized and you will have all your messages threaded versus having a big chunk of message in your email box. You can specify if you want to have a secure connection when sending your email, and if you want to offer an unsubscribe every time an email is sent using this email address. The unsubscribe is for the customer to take their email list from your database. The last part is to test the connection of your email to make sure it goes in and out. Whenever you start a brand new store, you already have a default email address, which is sales@whateveryourdomain.com. Each email account has to be assigned to an employee. So for example, if you have this as your employee from your employee screen, you would click on that employee, click on emails, and select which email you'd like them to use. Next time they log in, they will be defaulted to use this email from their account. Each employee can have multiple email addresses. As an admin, you can have access to all the email addresses. Inside the email address, you can also set up different folders and different actions for those folders. Notice there's a clear trash button. This will tell you how many megabytes you're using and how much space you're using inside your mailbox. If you exceed 100%, your old messages from your trash will start getting deleted automatically. If you exceed 100% and there's nothing else to delete, all your emails will start bouncing. So make sure you keep track of how much space you're using. Clear your trash if you're not using any of the emails from your trash, and keep your mailbox clean. If you need more space for your mailbox, you can inquire with Shopping Cart Elite or your service provider to get more space for that mailbox or get another email. Also keep in mind, if you're using a third-party email, like Gmail for example, all the emails actually get saved to our database as well, which means that your third-party email will be using your space from another email that you already have on your account. So as long as you're using the email client for Shopping Cart Elite, you're limited on space based on the email account that you purchased for yourself through the service provider.